Hey there, can you feel that holiday rush? Christmas Day deals are here, and I've got something super cool for you. The Genius Wave Audio, perfect for boosting brain power during the festive season. As a student drowning in assignments, the Genius Wave Audio was my lifesaver. One listen, and my focus skyrocketed. It's like flipping a switch, instant genius mode. And today, you get it at the regular price of $39, but with special discounts. Right now, they're throwing in quick start bonuses to help you hit the ground running. No more procrastination and no more struggles, just pure unfiltered brilliance. Oh, and did I mention the money back guarantee? Zero risk, all reward. Imagine breezing through exams with ease, understanding complex topics without breaking a sweat. That's what the Genius Wave gave me, and I'm just one person among many. Join the wave and see for yourself. Don't wait another second. Grab the Genius Wave Audio right now. Let's turn those average grades into straight A's. Hurry though, these Christmas Day deals won't last forever.